Chic and awe. Is it chic?
Is it awesome?
It's both. Welcome to Dynasty. Oh my God, I mean chic and awe.
I don't ever want to see you come into this house again. Is that understood?
You're starting to sound a little jealous, Krystle. You can keep Blake. I'm here for the mansion. What are we up to today? Who are we visiting?
Well, this is episode 2 of Chic and Awe.
Probably episode 1.
But we're really excited because we are visiting Danielle Rollins.
That's right. The drama is dialed up today. Danielle lives quietly and modestly in a small castle on the outskirts of Buckhead.
Would that be in the village of Atlanta?
She is a decorator. I mean, she's incredible.
She is an influencer. She's an author. She is a clothing designer. She's a professional entertainer.
Nothing Danielle does is unstylish.
Furniture, fabric. And
She is like a walking color wheel as well.
my God,
Wait till you
right?
see.
So you might have thought that Denver Carrington was the only game in town when it came to empires, but Danielle Rollins gives it a run for its money.
I want to take 51% of Danielle Rollins right now.
Me too. But we're really excited because today you're going to see cat fights,
Drama, explosions, and high-impact decorating. Chic. So Chassie, this is what I call bed quarters TM, where you work from bed, you take all your meetings from bed, you love make and send emails.
I have to have it here or you're fired.
She is wearing a matching pajama set to her comforter.
It's a symphony in coral and turquoise.
Yes. It's the most flattering to the face.
A rosy glow. No need for makeup application before bed. What really pulls this room together is the wall-to-wall real leopard carpet. And I'm sorry for all you leopard lovers out there.
Sarah, you're more bitchy than me.
There's an abundance of leopards in the world.
They're not. But
Let's make
anyway.
carpets out of them.
You know what I do love about leopards, Sarah?
What?
It acts as a neutral. And this is a room with catitude.
You would think that leopard is a neutral, but so are you.
I need for someone to answer the phone and bring me a Fresca.
When Danielle isn't running her empire, she's having her staff prepare cocktails. Fresca and tequila on ice.
Oh, that sounds so good. I'd like one of those.
It's Danielle's signature drink. I've had 3.
Tammy Joe.
She just learned how to scroll.
Scrolling is hard. She looks good, which is 95% of any job.
It looks like Blake's plotting something.
If you want a rematch, just whistle.
Oh!
If you can. This is a full-scale book signing operation.
Oh, look! The tablecloth matches the curtains.
That's what she said.
Every piece of furniture in there is made of rope. Those chairs are from Ralph Lauren.
So beautiful.
You can buy them on her site.
See Sammy Joe's outfit? You can also buy that on her site.
Oh.
And see the outfit Danielle's wearing?
Mm-hmm.
You can also buy that on her site. And also see what Blake, and then who is that guy?
I can't quite follow this plot line.
Are these plaster eagles? I like patriotically chic wall accessories.
Those are parakeets. Check out that OG edge on the marble countertop.
Can you believe Danielle is also an expert gardener?
Duh, she can do everything. Danielle's garden scheme is strictly white and green. That's it.
To clear out all this land, she hired a team of expert goats.
To mow the lawn.
And each goat was more attractive than the next.
Goats are chic. Krystle, who are you wearing?
Well, I'm wearing Mr. Nolan Miller. Who are you wearing?
I'm wearing Nolan Miller. Karate chop pillows.
Karate chop
Is that
pillows.
a do or a don't?
A Danielle do.
The stuffing in those chairs is incredible. You just sink.
Danielle's style, it is so glamorous.
So, Chassie, you've heard of upholstered walls, but have you ever heard of an upholstered bar?
I've never heard of an upholstered bar.
Well, neither have I.
And that's incredible.
This is a first.
Gracious living and stylish entertaining.
Yeah.
Incredible blue.
She leads you from one room to the next with these little hyphens that blend the previous color with the next room's color. So it's not like, oh, I'm in the blue room. Now I'm in the coral room.
Okay, Sammy Joe, if you can carry a tray of drinks without dropping it, you can have that 1% back of Denver Carrington.
Just spilled all over the green screen floor.
Pattern on pattern on pattern on pattern.
Oh my God.
Her eye is masterful.
Danielle, she's a master of proportion. So she knows the length of a sofa that's perfect for the room and fits the exact right table.
Well, you know what they say.
What do they say?
Dynasty is in the details, Sarah.
Namaste, viewer. Hashtag blessed. You are so lucky to get this sneak peek into Danielle's butler's pantry.
That's right. That's just the kind of access you're going to get. She could off.
Cool thing about her butler's pantry is that she took all the doors off.
Actually, Danielle gets inspiration for her collections from the things that she loves. So it makes sense that she'd keep everything out where she can see it.
Yeah, everything I have is behind closed doors. Therefore, I never use it and I never entertain and I don't like having people over.
I have a secret life that I want no one to know about.
Oh. What is behind that curtain?
Danielle.
That floor, by the way, is made of cork.
Ooh.
See those brass arms? In their former life, they were sneeze guards.
Like at the Wendy's salad bar?
Plated in brass.
Amazing.
Isn't it?
Yes.
Who would have thought of that? How does she think of that?
You know who would have thought of that?
Krystle Carrington?
No, Danielle.
You could smash a lot of plates in that kitchen.
Oh gosh, you could.
Danielle wearing her own outfit there?
Oh, she sure is.
She's so glamorous. I love grilled cheese.
I don't know. Something's up, Sarah.
What do you think?
I don't trust that maid. Look at her buttering that bread. It's so desperate.
It looks an awful lot like Blake from the last scene.
Oh, you're right.
CHIC and Sara, episode 2, scene 2, take 1.
These pearls look quite dowdy. I think they look perfect on you. Oh, look at Danielle relaxing by the pool.
I can't blame her. I mean, Blake is so loving and devoted.
So classic. The White House, the navy blue shutters, the parterre. Oh, hey, girl.
I know.
Do you know what parterre is?
A maze designed with boxwood.
Parterre is like a sort of a maze designed with boxwood. It's very French. It is French.
It's very French because it happens to be French. The architecture outside is just as important as the architecture inside. Note, there's so much geometry.
It is a bit wild there, but it's not, everything feels like completely sewn up.
It's a contained chaos. Okay, look at that lattice and navy and white.
Is this like Southern style? What do you call this? Or Dynasty South?